Scam and fake online business ideas. Don't waste your money and time. Most people who are at least somewhat familiar with all kinds of business ideas, money-making methods and similar stuff advertised on the internet, know that the vast majority of it is scam. Here on YouTube there are lots of fake screenshots of large amounts of money being made in a short period of time and falsely telling you how to make thousands of dollars a day quickly using a certain easy method. These are all supposedly scams. Such various scam methods are marketed in countless places all over the internet. One of the most famous of these marketplaces is Warrior Forum. Usually, the sales formula goes simply like this. The seller of such get-rich-quick schemes introduces a specific and unique new method to easily make a lot of money. He shows big fake earnings and uses fake testimonials in his sales text and videos. The seller of such a product or method tries to convince people of its usefulness in every possible way. The sales page offers access to documents and videos, for example, in which this secret to big earnings is promised to be explained step by step. The price is usually low, for example $20. Many people find the offer at such a low price very attractive and buy the product. The person who buys the product follows the instructions and soon finds out that it doesn't work as promised or is just too difficult to do. He is disappointed and forget about it and don't even bother to complain because of the low price. He would not get his money back anyway. It's worth remembering the old adage, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Of course, I'm not saying that all online money-making methods are scams. All I'm saying is that it's worth finding out, discussing, asking questions, trying different things out and finding methods and tips to make money online. The key is to test different things and find out what works for you and what not. In general, greater success requires a lot of persistence and hard work and time. Thank you for watching.